Welcome in Easycad tutorial. In this tutorial, I shown you how to make a 3D symbol like our channel Easycad tutorial. For more tutorial, like and subscribe our channel. In this tutorial, we seen how to make this symbol. Select Creo parametric solid. Remove tick mark from use default template. Here give name symbol. Select Newton second solid part. Select top. Here I am select top plane and extrude on it and draw a one cubical shape. Select here give I am dimension 100 by 100 and make a one cube of 100 mm by 100 mm. Okay. Now go to standard orientation. Select this surface. Sketch on it. Go to text. Select bottom. Draw a vertical line. Now you see a text box. Here give name. Here select font 3D. Okay. Now you can see here I am given dimension 90. Go to dimension. Here give 70 and here I am select 35 and make it 5. Okay, our side is ready. Select this sketch, extrude it up to you want. Here I am 5, some more 7. Okay, this is the looking better. Okay, now select this surface, sketch, text, select bottom, up, here type C. Okay, now here I am give a dimension 90. Here I am give dimension 5 and this is the for center 35 for other. Okay, now our C sketch is ready. Extrude it, same 8 mm. Okay, now C is ready. E or C is ready. Now here I am given a appearance. Go to view tab, select appearance. Here I am select blue, select surface intent, and okay. Now you can see surface intent, blue color, edit it, right click, make it some changes in color. Okay, this is the better. Close. Now here go to appearance, select this red one, surface intent, and okay. Now go to edit by right clicking, edit it. Okay, some gray. No, this is make it some glowiness. Okay, this is the better. Close. Now our Easycad symbol is ready. Click on here and remove all planes. save this part. Now for saving an image file, set your orientation as you wish. Orientation. After setting orientation, go to file, create save as, save a copy, here select location, here I am given a desktop location, and create a jpg file and okay it. Here I am select variable, normally size is in inches, so inch. For here I am select A4 size, is get defaultly, and select resolution. Okay, now take some time. Okay, our file is saved. Open. Our symbol file is saved on desktop. Our 3D symbol is ready. Thank you for watching our tutorial. For more tutorial, like and subscribe our channel.